Hey everyone, my name is Arian Shahbazi, and I thought I had to just post on YouTube. Things are going crazy. Gamestop is going ridiculous. Robinhood has uh, shut down buying power. And what does this ultimately mean? How can you position yourself to make money? What have we learned over the past few years, and how can we take indicators in the market and make decisions? You have to stay up to date. So if you like the information I'm telling you, click the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell so you're notified when I put videos. I'm putting videos now because I think it matters more than ever. It is a revolution now. Retail investors are now fighting large hedge funds and the institutions. We together can create this war, this new revolution where we tell people you don't control where we put our money and you don't control when we buy or sell. Several retail investors have lost money, but they don't have someone coming in putting a band-aid on the wound when they're losing money. But now that Wall Street is losing 70 plus billion dollars, now Robinhood is completely doing what everyone knows it's illegal. You can't do that. Just because we have power as the people and we moved it does not mean you can do that. And I know that's how everyone feels. And what is that leading me to? That's leading me to the fact that it triggered cryptocurrency. And what did it trigger? It triggered Dogecoin, the dog meme coin. We're talking about a coin that has no fundamentals, no tech. And that's the exact point. That's the exact point. On Reddit, everyone bought because they knew the hedge funds were over 100% going to short GameStop. So the people said, let's buy GameStop. You don't control everything. We are bigger together. We are stronger together. It is a war. But when Robinhood disabled the ability to buy, that changed the entire game. It's making everyone doubt the system, and it's making people move their money somewhere else. And where is the best place? Cryptocurrency. Elon Musk gave a head nod and what changed his Twitter to crypto symbol, and he had already made comments on Dogecoin and its sword. I have money in Dogecoin. Let me tell you, I have Kraken. That's where I'm buying it. Reddit said Voyager. So if you have your phone, you can download the Voyager app. You can buy 50 plus cryptocurrencies on there. Or if you're a real crypto nerd, you probably use Kraken. Or if you have a cryptocurrency wall, you can connect your wallet to Uniswap, which is a DEX where it's peer-to-peer trading, which is really the ultimate end conclusion, right? Right? Everyone's trying to put their money in Robinhood. They're controlling their money. So now they're like, forget that. We're putting our money into Dogecoin. Funny how they put into something that has no fundamental just to prove the power of the retail investor. Now we're stronger together. So if you're holding or if you haven't bought, remember, this isn't just about the gains. Of course, it's about the gains. It's always about the gains. But it's also to make a point. And we're going to find out a lot. A lot of things are going to happen. A lot of things are going to happen. Ripple is under review with the SEC. We'll see what happens with that. I'm still holding my Ripple. I'm okay with losing that money. But I don't want to get too side off. Right now it's Dogecoin, and it's a revolution, and it's a chain effect from what happened with Robinhood. It's a chain effect with what happened with TD Ameritrade. This is what's happening. Think where people are going to go when the next stimulus check comes. We're printing money, and you think the value of the dollar is just going to stay just as strong as it's always been? You think people aren't going to put their money somewhere else? Forget centralized banking institutions. They don't give us anything of benefit. If you're 30 and under, you're more likely to own a cryptocurrency than a stock. Decentralized finance is the future. The entire market's up because of Dogecoin, and Bitcoin has been fluctuating between 30,000 to 40,000 over the last week or two. Ethereum has been stable. I have a huge position in Ethereum. DeFi, decentralized finance, Uniswap, the DEX has more trade volume than Bitcoin. All of these things are indicating to a bullish market. But it's just really funny how we got here, right? We're here because people want their privacy. We barely trust people in our lives. Why would we trust the government with our money? We don't. They're trying to tax us. They're trying to make sure we don't get our gains. They're trying to control our trades. That's pure market manipulation. And now that there's something decentralized and people are getting educated, the game is changing. So we have Dogecoin. I say hold. I say hold. I mean, if you bought at 1 cent and it went to 7 cents, I say sell. But if you bought it in the middle and you want to see where it goes, it could hit the moon. But be okay with losing that money. But be prepared for what the future is. These are all indicators. These indicators are telling us that cryptocurrency is the future. We'll see what happens with the SEC. We'll see what happens with Robinhood. The reputation is down the drain. I don't want to use Robinhood. You don't want to use Robinhood. I can't even buy cryptocurrency on Robinhood. I don't use them in the first place, but you can't even buy cryptocurrency on Robinhood right now. This should not be legal. This is not fair to you. It's not fair to me. It's not fair to us. That's why I made this video today. If you like what I'm saying, if you like the news that I'm giving you, like and subscribe, follow. I'm going to be posting this all the time. I'm dedicated now. I've been watching. I've been investing in cryptocurrency since 2015, but now it's so much bigger than that. And I hope everyone is paying attention. I hope this news has been good. I'm going to keep going, you know. So if you like what I'm saying, ride with me, you know. You don't have to have a lot of money. The point is to slowly get there. If you feel uncomfortable, I recommend 1 to 5% of your annual income. Money you're okay with losing. I'm not saying YOLO on Dogecoin. I'm saying look at the utility and the tech and the properties of cryptocurrency. And if you think there's real life utility there and that the value exists because of the supply and demand, well then, don't just sit there. Take action. The hardest part is taking action. And just because everyone around you says no doesn't mean you're not right. If you feel it in your gut and you've been researching all the time and you've been watching all the time, get involved. You're not going to be happy immediately. You might lose a lot immediately. That's the cryptocurrency space. It's volatile. Buy the dips. Buy the dips. But right now is something so much more unorthodox than that, because the institutions are trying to stop us as retail investors. They're trying to limit us, and that's switching everything. It's not like 30 years ago. If I'm not on Robinhood, I'm on Webull. All right? If I'm not on Webull, I'm on M1 Finance. All right? Like, I'm on Fidelity, I'm on Vanguard. You can't stop us. Together, we are stronger. So, thank you for listening to me, guys. I hope this helps spread the word. And I'm going to make more videos on cryptocurrency, more videos on wealth management. And there's going to be a huge generational wealth shift. You can be a part of it. And if you think you don't have money, that's not true. Dollar cost averaging. If you have $50 a week, put into the market. If you have $20 into a week, put into market. Do whatever 1 to 5% of your annual income is and put that for crypto. You can do it. Don't give yourself an excuse. Set yourself up for your future and invest today.